Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now, I decided that I want to do a weekly vlog, right? And I have been doing some videos and putting it, like scheduling it out for weekly, but I feel like that's cheating because that's not really a weekly vlog. If it's a weekly vlog, you need to see what happened throughout the week, and then you will see like the following week. So you see the following week what was last week, and then the following week you see the other week. So I just want to do it like that. It's gonna be hard, but at least I'm trying to do a weekly vlog. Now today is Sunday and I'm not feeling so good, but I'm just gonna push ahead and do it anyway. And guys, there's going to be like videos that you will see that will let you understand how I got here. So just stay tuned for those videos. Every week there's going to be a video release, and I'm going to try my best to release my weekly vlogs on a Saturday so that I can start again the Sunday. Before I get into everything, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Alright, so guys, you wanna know why I kinda dressed like this? It's because I went to church this morning. I'm just gonna insert a little clip because it was nice. Church is not as super hyper like my church, but it's just calm and good, and it kind of remind me of church back home. The fact that the man I rap on stage, you understand, and me like say involve the whole youthfulness of things and not to be just holy and solely, and they're preaching from the Bible, so that's good. I'm going to cook today because I decided I just want to do good, so I'm just going to cook them some Jamaican meal. That's practically what I am doing today. So I don't have much planned for the day, and as I said, it's a weekly vlog. So if it's a weekly vlog, I don't need to show you or have this whole long video of this day, because for one, we don't want the weekly vlog too long. Now tomorrow, I don't know what I have planned. I don't think I have anything planned, but I'll still check in with you tomorrow. And I'm going to be as intentional as I can. So as soon as I finish a video, I'm going to upload it on my computer, edit it so that I can get the ball rolling. All right. So if you want to see more weekly vlog, encouragement, sweet labor, let me know. So you want to hear it, you want to see it. Okay. And my life not going to be all that superb or whatever, but at least I get to share my life experience with you guys, and then yeah, I have a lot to say, but time will tell. Okay, so stay tuned. So I got a package yesterday. I got 2 packages at that, and they delivered 2 at the door, but the other one they delivered it to the mailbox, so that's where I'm walking to. I have a package supposed to come today and tomorrow. I did 1 order, but they split them up in different days. So that's that. I basically bought like some Jamaican stuff on Amazon that I can't get around here, and some other like also stuff. So that's that. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to see if I can show you the clubhouse and the pool, and see if we can get to the mailbox. So yeah, let's go.
Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn off.
That's the pool over there and the clubhouse. It's like an infinity pool because the seat's coming over to the edge. That's cool. Should look good, nice on that end.
Think I'm tired of being broken. Thinking love is just a waste of time. The higher that I'm hoping, the quicker that I fall. And I guess I want it to be easy, but it's never ever easy. I always end up let down.
Hello. I'm good, and you? Happy Easter.
Beautiful day.
It is.
That's a nice place to live.
I can see that.
Very nice.
I can see
And
it.
she's friendly. I don't know if you like dogs or not. That's up to you.
It's alright, so it's not for Jamaica we train our dogs to like bite. So every time I see a dog, I know they're friendly, but it's like
They're
natural
not all
instinct.
friendly.
Yeah.
They're not all.
Yeah. But I'm okay with dogs. But it's just that fear thing. I'll get over
Or
it.
when you haven't been around them that much, and the ones you've been around are nasty. Sure, there should be a fear.
But are you good?
I'm good.
Okay. Alright, so I just met a new person. She's really nice. Her name is April. And we're in the month of April. And next week is her birthday. April. So that's really nice. I got my package and she taught me how to, because if it wasn't for her I wouldn't even know how. So that's good. I'm gonna see what the clubhouse looks like. I don't know if we can go in there, but just to look at the door, to see the opening, to see whatever, and maybe to see the fitness club because it's 24 hours. Yeah. So this time around I want to be more intentional with church and with my fitness stuff. So there is fitness and the clubhouse. Let's see if the gym is open. Is it? Oh. Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Do you need like membership to go in here?
No, I think you're supposed to be able to use your key to get in. I mean, I have no idea. I've never tried to do it, but it's supposed to be open for 4 hours.
I'm just checking it because I'm
not-
new here, so
Does it not open with this?
I don't know. I never
I've
tried.
never tried either. I've been here like a month, so there you go. Cool, because I actually want to show him.
You can go.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, thank you. I don't know. I'm just checking the place
it's down
out.
Here. Yeah, it's down here. That's kind of the main
Office?
the office, and then there's a room that you can rent
Oh, okay.
that looks out on the patio. If you see on the back of the building, there's that patio. And down here is where the gym and all that good stuff is. Yeah, I hardly get to use it. My roommate uses it.
You're welcome.
Pool table.
Nice.
Okay. There used to be, I think, a sauna or something. They voted and people decided instead to make it this room. Which is this room. Oh, yeah, there are still saunas there. And yeah, this is, they got this fixed up nice too. It's like an internet cafe.
Oh, okay.
You get the look of overlook the pool. And the pool, the pool they're saying is going to be open in a few more weeks. They just redid the whole patio and then redid the inside of the pool, so it has to finish
Oh, okay, set.
like setting. But
And then we don't pay any like
yeah,
no fee.
okay.
Yes.
You have the view of the pool on that side.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, enjoy it. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Is it normally busy in here?
I just moved in, so I've been here like 3 times and it hasn't been too busy.
Oh, I'm new too.
Nice.
So I want to be like intentional now because I need to get fit again.
I know, me too. That's why I'm here, and it's nice. It doesn't seem like, even when I toured, didn't seem too busy. So
Okay.
I think that's the nice thing about it.
That's good. Are you here for work?
Yes.
Okay. Right, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Maddie.
I'm Vanessa.
It's nice to meet you.
Hope I see you around.
Yes.
So this is a good place to be at, and I'm kind of excited, so fingers crossed everything comes out well. So I'm just gonna go back down now and just put the peas on to cook, and then these few clips I'm just gonna put them in and just start editing them. Yeah. Guys, remember to put God first, and happy Easter, because today is Easter. I know you're not going to see this until next week, but I just want to tell you happy Easter, and Jesus is the reason for the season. You understand? Yeah. So I am excited, and I'm excited to what God is doing in my life, because I know He's doing something, and I just went through like a devastating time of my life just now, and everything happened for a reason. I don't even feel sad anymore. Like yesterday I was bawling my eyes out, literally, and today I feel at peace, I feel relieved, and I just want God to continue to use me and use whatever happened to build me. So guys, if any one of you out there and you're feeling overwhelmed, and you know the cares of this world is beating you left and right, just turn to Jesus, whisper a prayer, talk to Him. He cares. So that's my little sermonette for you. Turn to Jesus always. Yeah. And as it relates to the program, because yes, you know, so the program is all the reason why I have this channel. Trusting that God will lead it to the right employer, the right place, the right location. Like it's funny how the reason why I chose here, and the very same reason why I chose here is the reason why I was so low yesterday, and I just ended that situation, and I'm still happy that I'm here, because as you can see, the community is nice, the people is nice, there's a church nearby, and yeah, I'm just gonna try to be intentional, get up and go to the gym and go to church, fellowship with people, meet new people, and then start my life all over again. Yeah, so I'm heading back in, and I'll catch you in the next clip. I'm going to just change off and tidy up the kitchen a little bit. It's not dirty, but just give it a little tidy, and start cooking the peas. I'm not going to cook the meat right now because they're not coming home until about 9 o'clock, even though I'm going to finish cook before that because I will be hungry. But that's what I'm going to do. Okay? Yeah.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side. Yeah, that's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere.
Alright, so I decided that I'm going to go to the store because I don't have any vegetables and any drinks. So I'm just gonna run to the store. The store is like a couple minutes away, like 4 minutes. We just book an Uber, $6 for the Uber. The reason why I don't walk is because it's like on the highway, and it's kind of hard walking on the highway because there's no walkway. So I just have to book the Uber. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to Food Lion and pick up a few stuff and then come back and finish cook. I'm just gonna do that and then come back. The ride should be outside. Hello. I'm taking you.
Bye.
Thank you. You're welcome.
They don't make them like you no more. No pressure. I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me. So I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go. 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 So I'll go anywhere. So I'll go anywhere.
I'm just basically just viewing out this store. It's not everything that I would want, but it's a start, and yeah. So if I need anything, I just come here every now and then, but you know, what I'm at is for the big shopping. So that's that. So I'm just gonna pick up like a few more juice and then just pick up Uber. I thought I could walk, but you know that got heavy. I don't know why I pick up so much stuff. Like, look. But yeah, I'm just gonna pick up a few juice and then head back home. Just one more juice because I already have one. I'll pick up a pineapple juice because I love pineapple. Well, I think that's it because I come in here to get vegetable and get more than that. So I guess that's that. I'm going to use the credit card so that I can bring my credit and pay back it. So I'm going to the cashier now and then put the Uber. So I'm back home and it wasn't too bad. So I got a few stuff. What I must say though, I really like the people around here. They're really respectful, and because you know, like sometimes when you go to like Walmart's, the people would use the carts and don't put them back. But these people, they walk and they put it back. So you don't say you have to follow suit. Even though I always put back my carts, so I kind of like that. And the place, clean, people friendly. I like it. But I'm gonna finish cook and see if I can edit this first day so I don't have to be struggling when it comes to the end of the week to release it. Okay, so yeah, so I'll catch you back if something else come up. Okay.
I got no issues, it's kinda nice, like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived.
Alright, so as I said, I'm going to cook for my housemate. So I'm trying to figure out what to cook. I only have like a few seasoning because there was no like Jamaican season that sell at Walmart, so I'm going to buy it online. I was thinking to do like barbecue pork or maybe barbecue fried chicken, or maybe if you curry the chicken, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do like the cooked down pork, and then because I don't want it to be the same, I want it to be different. So that's what I'm thinking. So, or maybe we just barbecue the chicken and cook down the pork. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Should I? Or curry the chicken? I don't know. But when I figure it out, I'll let you guys know. So as I said, today is Sunday. I just got back from church and I'm watching my church back home, and I'm going to cook. I'm not going to cook the thing right now. What I'm going to do is just season the chicken, the pork, because the chicken is already seasoned from a long time. And I'm going to season the pork and let it marinate. And then the peas is cooking. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm not going to make today really long, because there's tomorrow and then the other day, you understand? And today is more festive than any other day. So let's see what the rest of the week brings. I'll come back later when I'm done cooking, or if any brand like anything happened. So I'll come back later because I really need to charge this battery and I'm using my phone. So I come back later, or if you don't see me later, I'll check you tomorrow. Okay? Morning guys, it's now Monday and we discovered that the gym is free and it's open to everybody. So that's where we're going today. Okay, I don't have much plan, so I'm just gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna come back and edit some videos. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I hope that the gym is not full because I can't bother with the shy thing, you know, and I want to film properly. Even though I don't know if I'm gonna film. I might just go live. Like I want something to keep me motivated, for you understand. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. They're cleaning or fixing the pool because the lady said yesterday that the pool will be open soon, so maintenance is there. So that's that, and I want to see if the gym is full. It's right now it's 9 o'clock, so I don't know what my schedule is for the day when I start working, but for now I'm gonna work with 9 o'clock. So I have the gym to myself. That is lovely. But let me show you my outfit. So I have this Calvin Klein tights, this Old Navy shirt, and just my Adidas sneakers. So that's it. And guys, listen, when I have no one bag of gym clothes, so if you're see the same thing, enough time, just shut them out. Okay? Alright. So I'm gonna start off with the treadmill to burn some calories.
I would find someone to love like that, like that, like that. I like the way we laugh till we cry to keep our love intact. Take a ride, turn them back so we can save on gas. Never thought I would find someone to love like that, like that, like that. I like weekends, never leaving our bed. Office to the night ends, baby, we can sleep in. Late into the morning, kiss you on the cheek, and baby, that's a reflex. Oh, my life, I thought the love was just a lie, a way to feel an unrealistic high. We get it, I'll fix.
Alright guys, so just done with the gym. My body feel light. I don't know if that's a good thing or what. I feel like loose, if you understand. Like my joint feels so free. Like it feels slippery. I don't know if that's a feeling, but it feels slippery. Like I don't feel tense anymore. But you know that tomorrow is a day when you're gonna feel when your muscle ache and so forth. So yeah. Alright, so I just look after my breakfast and I have my laptop here going to do some work. What I'm having for breakfast though is white chocolate tea. We have medium egg bread, turkey bacon and fruits. So that's that. So that's basically what I'm going to do today. I'm going to get some work done. I'm going to edit, eat breakfast, and basically that's it for the day. So as I said, today is Monday, so I'll catch you back tomorrow. Anything else happen today, I'll let you know. I have a package today, so I'm going to let you know when I get the package, and then I'm going to clean the bathroom today. So I'm going to eat, get some work done, do some editing. Then I have a package today, so when I get the package I'll come back. I'm going to clean the bathroom because the package that's coming is related to the bathroom. So I'm just going to give you a little tips of those, and yeah, so that's pretty much all that I'm doing today. Nothing too exciting. Anything change, I'll let you know. Alright guys, so the package reached. I literally just put on the phone and it reached. I feel heavy. Jaja. Ooh. So I'm gonna put it on to see what's in there. I never know what's this big. So basically it's a drain gel thing. The bathroom sink is clogged up, so I just decided that I'm gonna buy something that can release it. So I'm gonna do that right now because it said to pour it slowly like 15. I don't know how much that is. Alright, no. It's a pour 1/5 bottle slowly. What is 1/5? All of this are the 1/5. And then wait 15 minutes. And after the 15 minutes, we can wash it with water. So these are the max gel, right? And it's supposed to get rid of hair, standing water, slow drains, and pipe buildup. So I'm gonna see if it works. You get a lot of reviews on YouTube, and it better work because we need the bathroom to free up. So let me show you when we turn on the pipe how it look. Turn on the pipe. You see, it start get clog up already, and it takes forever to drain out. So because of that, when you're showering, the water come up, and I don't know if you can see the rim. Yeah, that's like built up stuff. So I'm just gonna try to put it in there, see if we can clear whatever it needs to be cleared, because them used to wash hair and so forth, so we have a feeling say the hair clogged up with something. So I'm going to do that and see if it works. Let's hope my money didn't go to waste. Guys, it actually worked. I've been running the water, like the pipe, for about 5 minutes now, and the drain clear, like absolutely clear. This thing work. It's not a paid, not a sponsorship, but this work. If you want your drain to be cleared, buy one of this. And I have like a lot more, so just in case anything else happens, I have this as a backup. Like it worked. Like right now, because normally before I get in the shower, I normally run the pipe because you have to wait a little bit for the hot water to come on, and because of that, the whole sink used to full up. Not this thing, the whole tub used to full up, and we never really like it. You understand that, especially when you're cleaning. And then like now we're going to have other person using the bathroom in a couple, maybe a week or so. It needs to be clear because I don't want to see anybody ear or soap scums or anything. It work, guys. It work. Alright. You say if Amazon ever did make me lose my packages, see, I'd have it out to them. Because them put it at the wrong door. Like they put the other package I just, and then put this one here over this. So this is another package that I got today. It come the same time with the other one, but apparently they put it at the wrong door. So I'm mostly excited about this. I am trying to get back into reading. Remember, always I tell us me hate to read. Yes, so I bought this book. It said Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And I also bought this lip balm. So this lip balm is supposed to, lighten the little dark spot. So it packaged nicely. It comes in a little board shell, like as you can see. And this is not this is not sponsored. And if you want to see these stuff, you can check the link down below. Everything that I show in here will be in the link below, and this is how it looks. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some on. That smells good. I'm just gonna continue using this daily as it recommends. Just so that it's like a pineapple extract, sweet with almond oil and pineapple. I can smell that. And I'm just gonna continue using it and see if it can lighten my lip, because girl, I have dark lip. So I must use it 2 to 3 times per day. And it has cocoa butter in there, carrot seed oil, pineapple extract. Yeah, so that's that. It feels good. So I'm just gonna continue using that, and I'm gonna read. I have a relationship book. I'm not in a relationship, but I have a relationship book. This, and a spiritual book. So I'm trying to grow all aspects of my life, trying to be very intentional this year. Things have to go on next year, few years. Starting from this year, we have to be intentional. So that's the plan. This is highly recommended. So that's it for my daily vlog today. I'll catch you back for tomorrow as we continue our weekly vlog. And if you reach this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, turn on the post notification, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and I'll check you back tomorrow with another daily update. Hey guys, so it's Tuesday. I'm at the clubhouse and I already did my exercise, so now I'm gonna go ahead and read this book, Think and Grow Rich. I'm just gonna enjoy the view and read it. So I'm gonna try and read for an hour. You guys always hear me, and I have mentioned it in this vlog, that I hate to read. But in order to read somewhere, I have to break certain habits and take up good habits. So this is going to be a new journey in my life where I'm going to work out, focus on my spiritual growth, and focus on books. The good thing about here is that they have like a book showroom, so I can take up a book and read. So when I'm finished with this and I'm finished with other books, I can come here and take up a book per day and just sit here and enjoy the view, the mountain view, the pool, the nice lawn and everything. So as you can see, the place is just nice. So that is what I'm going to do today. I have nothing else planned, so I'm not going to bore you today, but just in case anything pop up, you know, I will come in and give you an update, because the video is already long and we're not trying to make it long. Okay, so that's that. Yeah, so I'm just going to read and focus on me for a bit. Alright guys, so today is Wednesday. Just done my workout and I'm going to do my reading. I'm just gonna get some coffee. I like this place, free coffee. Basically everything is in your rent, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Hey guys, so today's Thursday. I just got back from the gym, and you know the whole strips at gym, read book. But today's a little bit different because I met a guy today. No, it's not that kind of guy. So take it out of your head. It's not that kind of guy. He was just at the gym, and while in the gym though, we didn't talk that much. We just say hey and bye. And I didn't do much workout because I didn't want to inconvenience him. And I mostly went on the treadmill and I did my abs. After I came out, I went to read a book in my little section. Then he came out and come for some complimentary water. The funniest thing though, he doesn't live here, so his friend who lives here gave him access to the gym, because it's supposed to be like a whole who's a part of this community is supposed to use the gym. Anyhow, he got access to the gym. And we were just talking, he's asking where I'm from because he heard the accents and so forth. And I told him, and he invited me to be like a part of his group, because he said that he has this group, not him, but his friend have this group where they run and, you know, try to be fit and so forth. And also he said that he think that I will be a good fit to be a part of their friendship. But you know, friendship no work like that. You understand? You can't just sit somebody today and decide that you're going to be friends with them. But I gave him my number nevertheless, because we're trying to be socialized this year. Because if you want the husband to find you, you cannot stay inside, because the husband now go come down and break down the door, come find you. So you have to be sociable. So that's what I'm doing. So I gave him my number. Let's see how that goes. As you know, I've been going to church. I also signed up to be a part of the community group. So the house that's nearby is 5 minutes and they do fellowshipping. So I'm a part of that. And they called me today. So hopefully Monday and Wednesday I can have another group to go to socialize with. So I'm out here meeting new people. I don't have any friends around here. And I kind of like it like that. I like it. No Jamaicans, I don't see no Jamaicans, I don't see no workers, I don't know. And I know the season not really start yet. I have like a week on 2 for everyone to come in the house, so let's see how that's gonna go. But for now, I like it, and I'm just trying to put myself out there so that I can meet new people. So that's pretty much for today. I'm going to wash, and I might pull up my hair and wash it, but if I don't do it today, I'm going to do it tomorrow. I did a whole lot of ordering last night. I went on Amazon and I ordered a lot of stuff as it relates to hair things, hair oil and treatments, and I also ordered the hair clippings because I want to give my hair a break, and I feel like my hair is not that thick and flowy. Like it's hard to manage, but I know if I have the clipping I can, you know, do something with it. And so I bought the kinky clippings, and I'm gonna just braid my hair from the whole braids for a while, do that, and see how I can cope with it. And I'm going to, and then the reason why I want to do that is because I want to treat it like every 2 weeks. But you know, when time the braid is in there, it doesn't really get that much treatment. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so tomorrow I'll come back and show you all the packages that I got, and I'm also gonna put all the packages that I got throughout this week so that you guys can see, and everything that you need will be in the description down below. If you see something that you want, just go into the description down below. I'll link the link down there and just go buy it. You understand? Okay, so I'll catch you back later if anything pop up. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. And if you reach this far in the video, you have not yet like, subscribe, like, what are you doing? It is free, FREE free, so just do the doops and subscribe. Okay, all right. Morning guys, today's Friday. For the first time since Monday, I'm here alone in the gym, and that's good. Yesterday when I came, as I said, I'm with a guy, but we never really started talking until I finished, and I didn't really did much heavy weights. So today I think I'm going to just focus on my legs, my abs, and do some treadmill, as always, cardio. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then I have some packages, so I'm just going to review, open the packages before you, and that's basically about it. And tomorrow, guys, just coming from the gym, and look what I got. My package is here, guys. I just came off a 9-hour and 20 minutes live on TikTok. It was very good though. It was very great, and I was so motivated because the amount of people that was on. Like, yeah, I liked it, but right now my back killed me. My back hurt me, and I feel good still. But remember I said that I'm going to show you all the packages that I ordered. So I'm going to put them together and come back because I don't want to leave it until tomorrow, because tomorrow is the final day of the vlog. So I'm just going to end it off. I'm just going to just do all that right now so that you can see what happened, and whatever happened tomorrow happen tomorrow. Tomorrow is just to focus on me. I didn't get to read the book today. I cannot drop the ball because we have to keep it going, okay? So I'm just gonna show you everything that I got. Alright guys, so we have to come in the closet because this is where the brighter light is for tonight. We know some gonna just do it tomorrow, but tomorrow's for another day. We have to edit this today because we never edit it right now, and we need to go and watch Lovies live. So I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff that I got. Some of them you would have seen in the previous days, but I don't know if you see the book. I got the book, but I got curry powder, and I'm going to leave everything in the link down below, in the description down below. So curry powder, 3 of this, but I really wanted to get 6, but you know, I'm managing money because stuff. I got cock soup, 6 of that, and then you know we got the lip balm support. But let's see what's in here. So this this is what I got. Castor oil. What I'm going to do, you soon see. You soon see what I'm going to do. Look at small man. I got the journal here. I thought it was bigger than this, but it can work. I got this. It's for a planner. I'm trying to be intentional. So you got stickers and so forth. It's nice. Let me see if I can share the page. So these are sticky notepad, and the ruler is there, so it's good. And then the page is like inside is like this. We have these and so forth, and these kind of stuff. But as I said, and look, there's a ruler here too, so I have 2 rulers, and this is 23 and 24. And then you have like a pocket to put stuff in, and then you have stickers also in here. So, and you have notes, so it's good. So it's 23 and 24. And so a little bit, you know what I say a little bit. I got this shibe. So it's gonna make my hair strong. And then this is the pen to go with the book. That's that. This is some clippings for my hair, because I'm going to go natural now. I can't bother with the wig. So why this so straight? Why the one that's so straight? Like this makes sense? Why this is in here? Why the one in here? But this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna wet it up and just make it look natural and add it to my hair. Good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all of this oil and along with the other oils that I have and put it in one of these. So I got this also, put it in this, put all the oils in here, let's use it in my hair. And then I also have Eco Stylic Gel. So that's basically it.
Last night, do you feel the same? Feel the same? Feel the same? Feel the same? Imagine if we did it right. Yeah, I feel like we could be so tight. We can fix it, it's gonna be alright. Do you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe? Feel me, babe? Look in my
Happy Saturday! Happy Sabbath to all those who celebrate Sabbath, and happy Saturday to all those who is a Sunday worshiper. But yeah, happy Saturday to you. This is the last day of the vlog. Let me know what you think about it. I know it's not that eventful like many people who are always up on the road and all these stuff. Remember, I am in a new state. I'm still getting myself acquainted. And yeah, if you want to see more of the vlog, weekly vlog, because soon I'll be working on all these stuff, so it will be more eventful. Let me know, drop a comment down below, let me know. Guys, yesterday took me out. Yesterday I was on the live for 9 hours and 20 minutes, and if you can see by the previous clip, it was so shabby, like even the audio wasn't good, but I just want to show you what was that like. And guys, the hair that I bought, the clip in here, it no good. Like, it seems like somebody did use it and put it back and reset it. Like, even the clips them don't even align properly. I just request it for return, because I don't want that. Because I was saying that yes, I'm gonna wash it, but you can see the product build up and everything on it, like I don't want it. So right now I was just about to do egg and bacon and plantain, but I changed my mind. I feel like I'm gonna do a dash out. Yeah, I'm gonna do this and fried dumpling, because I feel like I want something more than that. So I also plan to do curry chicken and rice, because yesterday on the live everybody was like, oh, me have curry chicken and rice. Okay, so you know who gets jealous? Yeah, me. So I'm going to do curry chicken and rice today. Thank God the curry come, we didn't do it, because and I'm not gonna cook tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, so whatever I cook today is gonna last me for tomorrow and whichever day. Tomorrow I'm going to go to church, and V-La-Nessa hurt me. So I think it's a whole heap of cheese from the pizza and so forth that I ordered the other day. So I don't want an egg. So I'm trying to, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna tidy up, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna finish the vlog and post it today. So smash the like button if you like it, and drop a comment and let me know what else you want to see. And don't you forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend.